I'll show you how you can use ultimate add-ons for Elementor. So this was actually formerly known as Elementor header and footer builder. So this is for WordPress. So you can use this to add header and footers to your WordPress website. You can find this by searching up Elementor header and footer builder. And then you can go ahead and tap on the first one that comes up here. Now on here, you just want to tap on this blue button to download it to your WordPress site. And then you'll see it'll go ahead and download it here. Now, once there, we can go ahead and log in into our header. Great. Now that we're once in our WordPress site here, you can go to plugins here. Now, once you're on plugins, you want to go ahead and search up Elementor, right? Once here, just want to go ahead and find this Elementor. Now you want to go ahead and tap on upgrade and activate here if you don't have a business plan. So this is actually a business plan only. It's free for business plan. So you just want to tap on upgrade and activate if you'd like, but you can also just available for download if your website is self-hosted. You can tap on download here like we did earlier. You can see it'll download right there and there. If you want it to be easy though, of course, you can just do it on a business plan. You can tap on upgrade and activate. You can tap on this to upgrade and activate. But then, of course, you'll have to check out for your WordPress website right here.